Dear student, today we will take the chapter 15 probability. After the completion of statistics, chapter 14, the chapter 15 is probability. Probability means possibility. Possibility of happening a particular work or a event. Probability means possibility of happening a particular event. Here the event means a work can be happen. For example, if you tossed a coin, then there are two outcomes, head and tail. And what is the probability of the getting head? So getting head is the event. Head and tail both are the outcome. But event is a work can be happen. Here, what is the probability of getting head? Getting head is the event. Getting head is the event. Next example. In a bag, suppose three types of balls are given. 3 red, 2 green. There are 5 balls. And what is the probability of getting a red ball? So getting a red ball. So red ball is the event. There are five outcomes, and out of the 5 outcomes, if we pick up only the one ball and one ball may be the red, then getting this ball may be red is the event of a particular experiment. So probability is denoted by the capital letters from A to Z. So the formula for the probability is the probability of an event. Here event is defined by E. So probability is P. यहाँ पर इवेंट को डिफाइन करते हैं कैपिटल से, तो आपकी प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी PE. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ the probability of an event E is given by, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम, एंड फ्रॉम द टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम those outcomes are in the favorable of our event. For getting the event is the number of trials in which the event happen. So the formula for probability is PE is denoted by, in the denominator total number of outcomes and in the numerator only the favorable outcomes. Here the outcomes, trials both are the same thing. So in the numerator, in the formula, number of trials in which event happened. Those trials in which the event may be completed, and in the denominator total number of trials. For example, a particular coin, and if you tossed a coin, there are two outcomes, head and tail. So 2 is the total number of outcome, and our probability is getting head. So getting head is the only the one chance. So 1 by 2, because 1 is the favorable for getting head. In this experiment, event may be changed. Getting tail. Getting tail is also 1 by 2, because only the one outcome for the favorable of event. There are the two outcomes. Some basic terms related for the probability. So one by one we are discussing it. For the example of, if you tossed a coin, only the one coin. इसी एग्जांपल पे सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएगी. If you tossed a coin, then that is the experiment. Experiment is not a trial, not an outcome. Experiment means a particular event may be happen, and there are many events in a particular experiment. So experiment may be toss a coin, experiment may be the pick up a ball, experiment may be the choose a student in the different classes. Suppose there are choosing the student, there are four class, 9, 10th, 11th and 12th. And if you choose a student, those who are in the honesty house, so count the total number of students. There are 4 houses, and those students are belong to the honesty house is the favorable trials, and total number of students is the total number of trials. So the trials, outcome and chances are the same thing, and all the things are possible on a particular experiment. And in a one experiment there are many trials, many outcomes are possible. Suppose if you toss the coin, then there are 2 events are possible: getting head, getting tail. Any other event is also at least one head, at most one head, no head, no tail. There are many events are possible on a particular experiment. Next is the sure event or a certain event. The meaning of sure event or a certain event on a particular experiment, if all the chances are favorable for a particular event, this type of event is called sure event. For example, if you tossed a coin और coin के दोनों तरफ भी अगर आपके tail हो, तो getting tail is the all getting tail is a particular event, and this is the sure event or the certain event. Next is the a bag. There are 3 balls, and all the balls are red. So what is the probability of getting red ball? Getting a red ball, there are 3 chances, and all the chances are favorable. So 3 by 3. So its answer is 1. So the maximum value of the probability of a event is 1, and minimum is the zeros. 0 कैसे? There are 3 balls and all the ball are red. And what is the probability of getting a black ball, and there is no black ball? So 0 by 3. So that is the 0. So this is the impossible event. Impossible event. So the answer of probability is lying between 0 to 1. The answer may be 0 and may be 1, but not greater than 1 and not less than 0. If the answer is 1, then its chances is 100%. and if the answer is 0, then impossible, there is no chance for this event may be happen. इस इवेंट के होने के कोई चांस नहीं है. कब? जब प्रोबेबिलिटी का आंसर क्या हो? 0 और 1 है तो 100%. Because there are 3 balls and all the ball are red, so its chances is 100%. In exercise 15.1, our first question is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of the 20 balls she played and find the probability of she did not hit a boundary. In a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times. She hits a boundary 6 times out of 20 balls she played. So there are the total number of chances is 20. The total number of trials or the total number of outcomes, your total number of balls she played, total number of balls she played is 20, and number of balls she hits a boundary is 6, and number of balls she did not hit a boundary is the remaining ball. 20 minus 6 is 14, and number of balls she didn't hit a boundary is the 14. So its probability is, the probability we can write in this way: P, an event didn't hit a boundary, didn't hit a boundary is 14 upon 20. ये 2 से 7 10, so its answer is 7 by 10 and is 0.7, and 0.7 is the line between 0 and 1. So we are writing the answer of probabilities in this way: total number of outcome, number of favorable outcome, and then probability. Next question is, 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. 475 family having 2 girls, 814 family having only 1 girl, and 211 family having only the boys, not a girls. So here the question is, compute the probability of a family choosing at random having 2 girls, 1 girl and no girls. 2 girls, 1 girl and no girls. Find the probability of getting this. So first of all, write down the total number of families. So this total families is the total number of outcome, and out of this total outcome, 475 families is the favorable outcome for the event 2 girls. 814 for 1 girls and 211 for 0 girls. Compute the probability of getting 2 girls. So for the 2 girls, this 475 is the favorable outcomes for this event. So number of families having 2 girls is 475. So its probability is of 2 girls is 475 upon 1500. Similarly, number of families having 1 girl is 814. Number of families having 1 girl is 814, and its probability for 1 girl is 814 by 1500, because total outcome is 1500, and no girls is 211 by. Similarly, for the probability of no girls is 211 by 1500. So these are the 3 different event. First event is the select a family having 2 girls. आपको एक फैमिली को चूज करना है, बट उसमें क्या होना चाहिए 2 गर्ल्स, और 2 गर्ल्स वाली कितनी फैमिली है 475. सो 475 अपॉन 1500 is the favorable chances for choosing 2 girls having a family. Next question is question number 3. Question 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 टाइम. अब यहाँ पर 3 कोइन को एक साथ टॉस किया, तो आउटकम में भी द ट्रिपल हेड, and in this way there are 8 outcomes are possible for if we toss 3 coins simultaneously. But there are the 200 times the 3 coin is tossed, and the following outcomes are given. So outcomes are getting 3 head for 23 times, 2 head for 72 times, 1 head for 77, and no head for 28 times, 0 head for 28 times. We can add it 7 and 8 15, and 5 20 is 0, 2 carry, 2 and 2 4, 7 11, 18 and 20, 200. These are the total number of outcome is 200. So total number of outcome is 200. And if 3 coin are tossed simultaneously again, next time if we tossed 200 times, and what is the probability of getting 2 head coming up? So the 2 head chances is the favorable. So there are 72 chances is the favorable for getting 2 head. Getting 1 head 77, getting 3 head 23. So these are the favorable. अब क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि गेटिंग नो हेड, तो दिस इज द फेवरेबल. सो गेटिंग, तो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 2 हेड? सो नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स गेटिंग two head is the 72, so its probability of getting two head is 72 out of total outcome. Total outcome is 200. That is 36 by 100 and its answer is 0.36. 0.36 is the probability of getting two head on the top out of 200 times. So you can do the practice of same type of question for this exercise in your textbook.